So here's our Bunn Trifecta MB. We're ready to do a test. We've already installed our parts, anything that's necessary. And now I'm going to do something that you should never do with any Bunn product, home products, and commercial ones especially. I'm going to plug it in without any water in it. What happens is, in the heating element inside that tank right there will overheat. It takes about 20 to 30 seconds and it will either incinerate itself or the thermal switch right there will give itself up. We'll go over that in just a second. So I'm going to plug it in right now. And you heard a click, which was the heating element turning on. And we hear a little noise, and now add some water. And we'll hear that's water hitting a very hot heating element. You can see it's going direct, it's getting drawn in. And we can hear the tank heating up. So we mentioned before, this is your thermal switch. It's 230 degrees. And that switch is the exact same part as on the commercial trifecta. So we're going to come over here to our commercial trifecta exploded parts diagram. Take a look right there. There's our part in question. There's our part number. Thermostat limit. It's item number 3 right there. And if we go back over, you can see it is exactly the same. That 230 degree limit thermostat goes on at least 50 different Bunn products. So it's wildly common. Don't overpay for it. It's about $6. If for some reason you get your machine back together, you're going to test it like we're going to in a moment, and your tank doesn't heat up, it's possible this is your next culprit. And you can see how it works. The black wire that comes out of the bottom. Let's move our power cord here. Black wire that comes out of the bottom is from the heating element, goes through the thermal switch, and the blue wire goes directly to the board. So that completes your circuit. If your heating element doesn't get a complete circuit, it's not going to turn back on again. So this is your cheap and easy culprit if for some reason when you plug your brewer back in to test it before you put it back together, it doesn't get hot.